What if I told you that your next masterpiece is just one perfect prompt away? In this video, we're breaking down the exact techniques top artists use to create stunning visuals with Midjourney, and you can start today. Midjourney isn't just an eye tool, it's a creative partner. Unlike other generators, it excels at artistic interpretation, photorealism, and style consistency. It understands nuanced prompts, learns from refinement, and produces gallery-quality results. Whether you're a designer, illustrator, or a creative experimenter, Midjourney adapts to your vision with remarkable precision and speed. The magic is in the details. Start with your subject, add specific art style references, then layer in mood, lighting, and camera angles. Camera references use descriptors like cinematic, hyperrealistic, or oil painting. Include aspect ratios like A16:9. Pro tip: the more specific your language, the closer you'll get to your vision. Test, refine, and iterate. Unlock hidden potential with parameters like stylize for artistic intensity, chaos for creative variety, and quality for rendering detail. Image weights control influence when blending references. Use Niji for enemy styles, or style raw for authentic outputs. These settings separate amateur prompts from professional-grade creations that clients will actually buy. Your Midjourney creations have real value. Build a portfolio, sell prints, license artwork, or offer custom design services to brands. Document your prompts, refine your process, and share. The artists earning serious income aren't just using Midjourney. They're mastering its language and building a unique visual voice. Ready to transform your creative vision? Subscribe for weekly prompting tutorials and hit that like button if Midjourney inspired you. Drop your best prompt in the comments. Let's learn from each other.